Good afternoon, dear students. In the previous lecture, we have seen fundamental operations based on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and even division. Here, I will be discussing two more sums based on division so that it will be more clear. Why I am discussing this division part? The only reason is this is very important part for your exam point of view. At least 1 to 2 questions will definitely come, which will carry around 8 marks for your quarterly examination. Now let me discuss like question number 6, sub part 3. I have already discussed division by of monomial term with the help of monomial, monomial upon monomial, binomial upon monomial, binomial upon binomial with the help of division form. And then here we will be discussing trinomial or fourth terms polynomial with the help of binomial. So the term is like a raised power 5 minus of a raised power 4 minus of 16a plus of 16 divided by a square plus 4. Now in some of the questions they may give this term in disarranged form. That means a raised power 4 will be written, then a raised power cube will be written, a raised power 16 will be written, and so on. So when we have to divide this, what we can do, a square, we want a raised power 5. So if I multiply with a raised power 3, a square into a raised power 3 will be a raised power 5, because a raised power 3 into a raised power 3, base same power will be added. This you all know, we all know obviously. So a raised power 3 will be equal to a raised power 5. Now plus 4 multiplied with a cube will be equal to plus of a raised power of 3. Now what we were supposed to do, change of sign. Correct. A raised power 5 minus of a raised power 5 means 0. This will be cancelled out. Now here a raised power cube and a raised power 4. These two are two different terms. They are unlike terms. So we cannot subtract. So we will simply copy, that is minus of a raised power 4 minus of 4 a raised power 3. Correct. Now if you want, we can bring 16a also as we used to do. Now I want a raised power 4, that also minus. So I will multiply with minus of a raised power 2. A raised power 2 into a raised power 2 will be a raised power 4, and obviously minus into plus will be minus. 4 into minus 2, that will be equal to minus of 4a square. Again what we call change of sign, plus here plus. So old sign we will neglect. So I will be left with minus of a raised power 4 plus of a raised power 4. Same terms and different signs. That means it will be 0. Now here you see it is minus of a 4 raised power cube. So I will write minus of a raised power cube plus of 4a raised power square. And then here we don't have anything. So I can write it as minus of 16a. Correct. Is there anything that we can do here? We cannot do anything. Now again I want minus of 4a raised power cube. So I will write minus of 4 into a. That will give me minus of 4a raised power cube minus of 16a. 4 into 4 16, and then minus of 16 is already there, no need to write. 2 times only we have to multiply. So again change of sign, here plus, here plus. Now you see minus of 4, old sign will be removed, minus of 4a cube plus of 4a cube, that means this will be cancelled. Here we are having plus of 4a square plus of 16 minus of 16, that means cancelled, 0. Then I will bring plus of 16 from there as it is. Here also I could have brought, but I have not brought, no problem, because we were not supposed to do anything on that. Now I want 4a square. So if I multiply with 4, so 4 into a will be equal to 4a square, 4 into 4 plus of 16. Then if we subtract, that means change of sign, plus 4a minus 4a cancelled. So it will be 0 plus 0, 0 minus 0. Means ultimately the end will be, here it will be 0. Correct. So your question will be equal to this. So one by one you can follow the steps, change of sign. The only thing here required is patience and observation. If you are patient enough and you are observing each and every term one by one, then definitely you all will be able to divide this polynomial with less amount of time, with less time. Okay. Now we will move on to the next exercise, that is simplification of the term. Now all of you know how to use BODMAS rule. I hope I need not teach here. So I will be discussing like question number 2 of exercise 2D of fundamental operation. Okay. So the question says 7 multiplied with 4a minus 3. 7 multiplied with 4a minus 3. So here I have mentioned the question number 2. 7 4a minus 3 minus 3 of curly bracket and then all these things. So what will be our procedure? Since they are not like terms, so we cannot add. So the only option is we have to multiply. 7 4s are 28a minus of 21 minus of 3a curly braces. Here also they are unlike terms, so we cannot simplify. The only option is just we have to multiply these terms. So minus of 2a into a, 1 will be equal to minus of 2a. Minus of 2a into plus of 2a will be equal to minus of 4a square. Now this round bracket work is over. So what here again, there is no like term, so we cannot do anything. So the only option is 28a minus 21 minus, we have to multiply all the terms. So minus 3a into 8 will be equal to plus of 24a minus into minus, minus into plus minus, sorry, minus, then minus into minus plus, 3 2s are 6a square, then plus 4 3s are 12, a raised power 3. Now you see, arrange the terms like here 12a cube, we don't have any terms, so I can write 12a cube. Now again 6a square is here. Do I have any other term of square? No. So we can write it as like this. Now second, minus of 24a plus of 28a. If I subtract, I will get 4a. Then minus of 21. So in this way, you are going to solve the remaining problems of this exercise. If I see, I have gone through the numerical problems. There is no problem at all. Means not that difficult level. The difficulty level is not that much that you all cannot solve. So let me solve like question number 9 only. Question number 9 says that 12a of 1 by 2 minus of 6a square divided by 3a plus of a plus of a. Correct? Now this is what we have to do, the simplification. Now as you all can see, BODMAS rule says that first division, before that off is there. So here we are having off. So I can write 12a into 1 by 2 minus 6a square division, that means here 3a, plus this bracket was already their first option. So ya plus a is equal to 2a. So in one step only I have done this, a plus a 2a division I have done, and then off term. So 2 6 are 12. So I can write 6a minus a cancelled, and then 3 2s are 6. So you are left with 3 2s are 6 plus of 2a. So it will be like 6a plus minus cancelled. Your answer will be 6a. So question number 9, answer is 6a. So in this way, if you follow the BODMAS rule, actually it is V BODMAS rule, vinculum bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtractions. I hope with this much idea you all can finish this exercise as well as the previous exercise. So my dear students, you have to complete your work. You all have your books, so try to complete it on time. As soon as the school will reopen, we will not have sufficient time to read all those things once again. So the only thing that is, if you have any doubts and all problems, we will be seeing during the school hours. Okay, thank you.